Oh my goodness, just got home from work and Wen's coriander is looking a little bit the worse for wear. Better water it before she notices. And I've just noticed something else. We've got 2 tomato plants growing in the geraniums. I think they're seeds left over from about 2 years ago. Oh my goodness, poor little coriander. We'll see what it looks like in the morning, I think. Chili's not looking too bad. Put it in a pot with some smaller chilies. A couple of them are growing. We've also got a little olive tree. That's been in the pot for a few years. It's not growing very fast. A few weeds in there. And also there's a lime next to it. We had 1 lime last year. There's a flower. Maybe something will happen this year. We'll see. Okay, it's the next morning. Let's have a look at little coriander. Oh dear. One bit seems to be coming to life. The other bit not. Let's cut. Like me. See what happens. Chili is turning redder in the warmth, and our surprise tomatoes are growing quite nicely. It's now evening time, and we're watching a little bit of football. Don't tell when. Also, we're having a nice dinner, and you will see on the top of the dinner the coriander. So the coriander has come back to life to put on top of a delicious dish of aubergine and tomato. And we're having that with some Portuguese chicken. Not a lot, because I'm on a diet. So chicken and rice and aubergine and tomato and chili and coriander. And do I need the very important sweet chili sauce on the rice? Yeah. If I can open it. My favourite. So a lovely TV dinner, footy on the telly, coriander, garlic, aubergine, tomato, rice, chicken. Nearly a goal. Enough to put on the top of a delicious dish of
aubergine and tomato.
Oh, thank you. So chicken and rice and what is it? Aubergine and stuff.
And tomato.
Oh yeah. So TV dinner, rice, courgette. No, it's not courgette. So TV dinner, courgette. So TV dinner, footy on the telly, rice, no, it's not courgette.